Remember when fitness trackers were simple little bands that quietly counted your steps and sleep without screaming for your attention? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Fast forward to 2025, where most smartwatches are basically tiny smartphones strapped to your wrist, glowing and buzzing every few minutes. But not everyone wants that, right? If you want a low-key way to track your health without the constant screen, these 5 minimalist trackers are the ultimate solution. The Withing ScanWatch 2 nails the balance between style and smarts. With a classic watch face and a tiny monochrome sub-display, it tracks heart rate, ECG, sleep, and even body temperature, all while lasting up to a month on a single charge. And for those who hate notifications and flashy screens, Polar Loop is pure simplicity. It has no screen, no alerts, just solid heart rate, movement, and sleep tracking through the Polar Flow app. It has an 8-day battery that keeps it running quietly in the background. If you want to deep dive into recovery performance without any distractions, the Whoop MG is the king. Completely screen-free, it monitors strain, sleep, heart rate, and blood pressure while giving insights into the companion app. A subscription fee is required, but it's a premium investment. The Samsung Galaxy Ring and Oura Ring 4 turned fitness tracking into wearable jewelry. Both track sleep, heart rate, and temperature with elegant screen-free designs. The Samsung Galaxy Ring syncs with Samsung Health with no subscription needed, while the Oura Ring 4 delivers the most refined metrics, although unlocking its full potential requires a membership. In a world obsessed with notifications and glowing screens, these trackers let you keep tabs on your health without losing your focus. They prove you don't need a smartwatch to stay smart about your wellness. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Best cheap fitness trackers of August 2024. This time for August 2024, we rounded up top cheap fitness trackers that offer great features at not so high prices. Most inexpensive wearables do a lot today, from steps taken during a day to heart rate monitoring. Whether you're just starting on your path toward fitness or are an accomplished athlete looking for that extra edge in competition, our top picks of budget-friendly fitness trackers will help you choose from a wide range of products. Fitbit Inspire 3. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is a budget line of fitness trackers that assists with keeping health in check with several innovative features at the very front line of user exercises. The $99.95 device. It features a touchscreen display, water resistance up to 50 meters, and all the basic tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and guided breathing sessions. It also offers notification alerts and music control and supports Android and iOS devices, offering up to 10 days of battery life. It would suit everybody who's looking for a reliable and affordable device that will serve as a fitness tracker, look great, and adequately perform. Fitbit Charge 5. The Fitbit Charge 5 is a premium fitness tracker intended to cost $149.95, which comes with an AMOLED touchscreen display and supports water resistance to a depth of up to 50 meters. It provides good functionality for heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking, and an ECG app. With the Fitbit Charge 5, enjoy built-in GPS to track outdoor activities without needing a phone, all for up to 7 days on a charge. Fitbit Charge 6. The Fitbit Charge 6 represents a top-of-the-line fitness tracker that's full of health and fitness features. This device comes sleek in design with an AMOLED touchscreen display and is water-resistant up to a depth of 50 meters at a price tag of $179.95. It comes with the most striking features, which include heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking, advanced fitness metrics such as VO2 max estimates. This device is engineered and integrated with a built-in GPS and ECG app that allows guided breathing sessions, hence making this an all-rounded tracking device. This watch could sustain a user for up to 7 days on a single charge and is compatible with both Android and iOS, making it an even better fit for athletes seeking advanced health data. Garmin Vivo Smart 5. Another full-featured fitness tracker available is the Garmin Vivo Smart 5, which comes in at $149.99. Sleek with an AMOLED touchscreen display, water-resistant up to 50 meters, It also tracks heart rate, sleep, stress, and advanced fitness metrics like VO2 max estimates. Moreover, it packs in native global positioning system, notification alerts, and music control, making it all the more functional for athletes and fitness buffs who want to be able to get a complete tracking experience without the bulk that comes with wearing a smartwatch. It has up to 7 days of battery life, so its owners can count on it being available during daily activities and workouts. Best fitness trackers under $150. Here are top picks. Fitness trackers are extensively used across the globe to monitor health status and successfully reach fitness goals. They help build confidence by tracking blood pressure, blood oxygen, calorie burn, and more, all integrated with cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for top-notch fitness trackers with plenty of features without breaking the bank, here are some excellent options. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro boasts an enlarged and high-quality AMOLED display with built-in GPS, which helps track your entire route and provides remarkable insights. It efficiently monitors your heart rate and blood oxygen saturation levels throughout the day. Additionally, it includes sleep, stress, and women's health monitors with approximately 100 sports modes, available for just $98.51 on Amazon. Fitbit Charge 6. For those captivated by deluxe and premium designs, the Fitbit Charge 6 is an excellent choice tailored to meet distinctive requirements. It's considered a rehashed version of its predecessors and efficiently monitors heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep tracking status with indicators for atrial fibrillation. It includes a Fitbit Premium subscription that guides you through an extensive catalog of content and provides access to detailed metrics, available for $139 on Amazon. Xiaomi Smart Band 8. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 is another budget-friendly tracker, perfect for fitness enthusiasts due to its more than 150 workout modes, including automatic tracking for exercises like running, cycling, and swimming. It efficiently monitors your heart rate and blood oxygen saturation and includes sleep and stress management features. However, to use GPS tracking and other advanced features, you'll need to connect it to your phone. Despite a few limitations, it offers impressive battery life and is available for $45 on Amazon. Best fitness trackers under $150. Samsung Galaxy Ring tipped to be incredibly lightweight. Samsung teased its Galaxy Ring on January 17th at its Galaxy Unpacked event, a move that left all tech enthusiasts talking about the health device, which is expected to bring a major shift in the wearable category. While Samsung only teased the Galaxy Ring, several reports further provide leaked details. The health-focused wearable device, which is expected to be launched later this year, is likely to be lightweight and will be available in 3 different colors. Tech analyst Avi Greengard claimed to have received hands-on experience with a prototype of the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Taking the threads, the analyst revealed the ring is incredibly lightweight and would be available in multiple sizes up to 13, which is 22.2mm. The South Korean company teased the Samsung Galaxy Ring at the Galaxy Unpacked event 2024, which was held at the San Jose Center, California on January 17th. The health device is expected to be equipped with several sensors, which could be seen in the tease video, to track the user's health markers and record physical activity. Among other fitness tracking capabilities, the Galaxy Ring will likely feature the following: 24/7 heart rate monitor, SpO2 blood oxygen sensor, and a sleep monitoring tracker.